Hi, let's play two truths and a lie today. First one, I took German in high school. Second, I grew up at a beach house on the West Coast. Thirdly, one of my dogs was a stray found on the side of the road. I can tell you that you will figure out the lie in this video. Now, let's dive in.
Welcome, Searoxxers. Well, I've got a recycled from Hobby Lobby 12 by 12 wood board. It's primed, and I'm going to start off with some modeling paste. And with that modeling paste, I'm just going to do a real simple spiral here, very similar to a Fibonacci spiral. And then I just went in and added some texture to this, and I also used some bubble wrap, which turned out kind of cool, but unfortunately I didn't get on video. I wanted to also add some crackle paste to this piece, and this product is new to me. It's by Viva Artline. Hold on, let me translate.
I got nothing.
Okay, I'm kidding. I know what it says. It says faceted lacquer. Anyway, I am on the hunt for my favorite crackle paste, and this may come close, but I did learn that you have to put it on a little thicker to get it to get some real good crackles. So anyway, I just added this to the swirl as well. Oh, look, I lied. Okay, there's the bubble wrap in the modeling paste. Kind of cool, huh? Here are the dried results from the faceted lacquer. And you can see how the cracks are a little smaller and then a little bigger. I wish I had done a bigger chunk to see. But anyway, we're all ready for some paint. And apparently it's International Day on the channel because now I'm going to use a French product. And I am not translating this time. So it is a water-soluble pastel. Sorry. And I haven't used this before, so I'm just trying it out just to see what happens and how it works. And anyway. So as I am layering, I'm just going to add some watercolor to the very bottom of this for some base color. So to this, I'm loosely just going to add 3 different blue hues here, and we're just building up layers. They've been diluted with a little bit of water. If you're enjoying today's international version, please make sure to splash the like button and subscribe to the channel. Hit the bell so you never miss a video. Once that was all dry, I decided it was time for another layer. Next, I want to darken the center of the swirl and kind of feed it out into the rest of the piece. I wanted this to look kind of ethereal, so I went in with my blending brush to just kind of soften and blend out the edges, just so I didn't have so much of the brush stroke look to it. And we're getting there, more blending, this time with a lighter color on the edges. Now, I apologize, I had a little technical difficulty and a whole piece went missing. Anyway, brown, there's some brown added into here, and what I did was just kind of dry brushed over the cracks and things just to give it another level of interest. And as you can see, it gives it lots of depth and obviously more interest. In here, I'm also adding then gold leafing to our raised pieces. And then some more layers, some more blending, some more softening, just more layers of paint. Well, I wasn't satisfied yet, so I decided to make it worse. I mean, better. Okay, these are not orange. It's, I don't know, I think it's a raw something color. Raw sienna, probably. Anyway, it's styrofoam balls, modeling paste, and acrylic ink. And it did make one hot mess, and I put a whole bunch on. And then, as you can see at the in the final result, I ended up taking a whole bunch off. So anyway, I like the end result. This part was kind of messy and kind of a pain in the butt. But see, they didn't turn out so bad. A little bit of paint and some highlights and some more highlights. Anyway, I decided that it needed more gold after all of that. You get gold highlights, and you get gold highlights, and you get gold highlights. Hey, gold highlights for everybody. Okay, just stay for the reveal, okay? It's next. And here's our simple swirl. So simple to make, but yet so pretty. Hey, thanks for joining me today. I hope you enjoyed yourself. Maybe you're inspired or just ding-dong entertained. I invite you to join the Searoxx family. Like, share, subscribe, hit that notification bell so you never miss a video. Don't forget to visit my website. Thanks for watching. And until next time, go beach or go home.